13-year-old fatally stabbed by his uncle. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Much love and appreciation as usual. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. It will be greatly appreciated. So viewers and subscribers, as I said before, a 13-year-old was stabbed by his own uncle. Yes, you heard that correctly. So people, I'm getting this from the Jamaica Gleaner, where he goes on to say, the last three words 13-year-old Omarion Hanniford reportedly cried out after he was stabbed 2 days ago are seared in the memory of his mother, who is still traumatized after a seemingly routine Sunday morning was transformed into hellish nightmare. Reports from the Maypen police are that about 8:45 a.m., Omarion was at his Morant housing scheme home in Crofts Hill, Clarendon, on Sunday when his uncle, who is said to be mentally challenged, allegedly used a ratchet knife to stab him in the neck fatally during a dispute. Omarion reportedly ran from the house and collapsed in the yard. The police were summoned and the injured teen taken to hospital, where he was pronounced dead on arrival. On Monday, Omarion's mother, Marina Taylor, was inconsolable as she grieved the tragic loss of the older of her two children. That one rough enough, people. That one is very, very hard to come to grips with. Your own uncle. And sometimes, people, Jamaicans sometimes take mentally challenged people as, oh, a madman. They not no sense. And the thing is, when someone is mentally challenged, they can snap at any given moment. You see me? That's why we need some programs for people who are going through depression, who are mentally challenged. We need something, some form of something to get them back on the right track. Because it could have been just a simple dispute. And look what it turned. It turned deadly for the 13-year-old. It's just very, very sad and unfortunate. You see me, people? And people, as me say, it's very heartbreaking that this happen. And a 13-year-old has to lose his life in such a senseless manner. So I'm going to read you a few comments of what people are saying under this post. One person goes on to say, this had me in tears. People passing me in my car must be wondering if I'm okay. I have a 13-year-old boy and I'm terrified for him. What is happening to our children? This is so sad. Another person goes on to say, I'm exhausted reading these stories. Another person goes on to say, Father, which art in heaven, I'm asking you to protect our children. And people just seem like kids growing up nowadays, their life are just cutting short. You see me? Like, growing up, we never had to worry about, somebody killing us, any sort of danger. We usually put ourselves in danger. You see me, people? We never have to look over our shoulder and think that something or someone might hurt us. But nowadays, people, everybody, you have to look out and watch out and wonder if this person will do something. Because people crazy nowadays. Crazy nowadays, me I tell the people. It's just sad, as me say, and unfortunate. Another person goes on to say, what a senseless and painful loss. Condolences to his mom, family, and friends. Jamaica, we cannot function in a space where we murder each other like chickens in a slaughterhouse, where we choose violence first, second, and third in everything or every aspect of our life. We are destroying our future. People, my condolences goes out to this family of the 13-year-old. It's just a very tragic and sad events that took place. You see me, people? This is just an update. If I get any more information, I will pass it along to you guys once again. Bless up, much love and appreciation from Yard and Abroad TV. Love you know. All right, people? Bless up.
Tell me about weed, tell me about right, tell me about education in my book. Uncle Demon, tell me about shit. I'm gonna tell me about the kai food. As a young youth of a bright, education is the key, come first at right. Youth, don't make your mother be a sad time. It's not for learn, not fight.
In a split second, I hear Omar and ball out money. We dead, pops, nothing else, no beer blood. He was a blessed child. Very jovial, helpful, give a lot of joke. In DJ and sing, make him make a song and, you know. Hey.
Were you at home when the incident happened?
Yes, but not inside of the house at the present moment. It was like I was washing and basically helped me do the thing yesterday morning as usual. So I wash, and after I wash, I went in the house and took up $1,500 and come out and go into the yard. 4 pounds of chicken and change like that. Yeah, people. I come out with a blue bag and I said, Omar, and went back inside for your bag, next bag for the clothing. In a split second, I hear Omar and ball out money. We dead, pops, nothing else, no beer blood. Beer blood. We run off and go collapse out of my mother's house, from my house to my mother's house. In a split second, I hear Omar and ball out money. We dead, pops, nothing else, no beer blood. He was a blessed child. Very jovial, helpful, give a lot of joke. In DJ and sing, make him make a song and, you know. Hey.
Were you at home when the incident happened?
Yes, but not inside of the house at the present moment. It was like I was washing and basically helped me do the thing yesterday morning as usual. So I wash, and after I wash, I went in the house and took up $1,500 and come out and go into the yard. 4 pounds of chicken and change like that. Yeah, people. I come out with a blue bag and I said, Omar, and went back inside for your bag, next bag for the clothing. In a split second, I hear Omar and ball out money. We dead, pops, nothing else, no beer blood. Beer blood. We run off and go collapse out of my mother's house, from my house to my mother's house.